told me about it.
Yeah.
I've got this for you from Hannah.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
It's amazing. I can't know where to look. That's so cool. rum as well. I love that first. Sweet. I'm meant to be reading this out to you. Probably quite helpful. There you go.
Aww.
That's amazing. Oh, what are these socks? Should I put these on now?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, what? That's nothing to my granddad's watch. That's crazy. That's incredible. Say again. That day is finally here, our wedding day.
I have to save them.
I could write hundreds of words in this card, telling you how much I love you and how excited I am for our future together. I think what sums it up perfectly is, if the rest of our lives together are anything like the past 8 years have been, full of laughter, adventure, pure happiness, and loads of pizza, I really cannot wait. You are the person I was always meant to be with, and you were certainly worth the wait. Mike, my love for you is endless. Now, let's do this. See you very soon. Love from your WTB. Lots of kisses. That's lovely. Thank you, Hannah.
This way?
Hey Hannah. What's up?
Oh my god, what is this?
I'm making this video
Do you know about this? Come here.
several months before you see it. But your
Oh, I
wonderful
thought my hamper was
fiance
good.
at the time, Mike, but now
Mum,
reached out and asked me to make this
Alan
video
Stone's
for you.
done me a video.
Apparently
What?
you guys are getting married on the 21st of June in 2024, and my song Consider Me is going to be your first dance. I'm so flattered. I'm so elated and overjoyed at y'all's union. Mike wanted me to give you a little dedication, and so I'm going to read it off here because he
Oh,
left
God.
it was wordy. But
Alright, he's nailed
he says,
this.
I love you
What?
always, and I'm so lucky you considered me. After adjusting your Tinder distance settings, nice, and then evaluating me over a 6-year period.
I did.
Love you always, from Mike. Take care to the both of you. Congratulations on your union, and I hope to see you at some shows in 2024.
Oh my gosh! That's amazing! How did he do that? That is incredible. And I did him a fucking hamper. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. Do you want me to read it out? Hannah, it's finally here, our wedding. Can you actually believe it? I hope you've managed to get some sleep. I've missed you not being next to me tonight. I'm writing this at 3 a.m, rewriting at 11:59, because I'm way too excited about the day ahead. Plus, I feel like I've broken my foot, so I'm dunking it in a box of ice cold water. I can't stop thinking about what it will feel like to stand next to you at the end of the aisle this afternoon and how beautiful you'll look. Hopefully you're now with Adam. He's got my gift to you. Love you always. HTB. Mike. Oh, it's lovely. So cute. He did good.
So I got a big tub full of like icy water.
I just couldn't stop shaking. Like I felt like my foot was shaking. Yeah, look at Brinny. Oh, look at her.
Now I'm wondering if our love's still strong. Ooh, baby, ooh, here I am, who's signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Wow! I'm yours. The time I went and said goodbye. Hey. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Oh, baby, who here I am, who signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Wow! I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Who here I am, baby. Who signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours.
Yeah, girl. Work at. Work at.
Consider